This is the WWE.
Oh no! RKO! RKO!
It's like some kind of gravity weapon. Oh my god.
Do it! Hey, look at this!
RKO!
Oh my God! The hostile takeover!
Hey guys, it's time to talk about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. The specifications and features of the upcoming Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S flagship phone have already surfaced in the recent leaks. However, the mystery surrounding the design of the phone has remained unsolved, as none of the leaked images renders that have emerged so far have revealed its exact appearance. Today, Xiaomi has released yet another teaser of the Mi Mix 2S on its Weibo account. The teaser not only reveals the design of the phone but also confirms where it will be holding its launch event. Xiaomi will be announcing the Mi Mix 2S to an unveil event in Shanghai, China. The event will be held on March 27th. The image shown below shows that the handset will be sporting slim bezels at its top, left and right sides. The bottom bezel is not visible in the image. Since the top bezel is quite thin, its selfie camera could be placed on the bottom bezel like the predecessor phone. Moreover, the new firmware files of the Mi Mix 2S have also revealed that it is equipped with bottom position front camera. Hence, it can be assumed that the front design of the phone may not be different from the predecessor model. It is likely that the Mi Mix 2S may arrive with reduced bezels. As far as the rear view of the phone is concerned, the recent firmware files of the phone have revealed that it is equipped with dual camera setup. A leaked photo that was spotted yesterday revealed that the Mi Mix 2S has a vertical stacked dual camera setup on the top left corner of the rear panel. The dual camera setup appears quite similar to the one found on the iPhone X. A fingerprint scanner is placed on the back side of the phone. So now your turn, let me know what you guys think about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. Its design will be quite similar to the Mi Mix 2. Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe my channel for the upcoming daily tech videos, and I will catch you guys next one. See you soon.